Hi, and thank you for coming to my page. I am Deanna DeCosimo of DeCosimo Law. So if you're watching this video, you most likely have booked a family wealth planning session with me, and I'm super excited. So beforehand, I just want to kind of give you a little bit of information about me and my firm. So I began my legal career as a program coordinator and staff attorney for the Elder Law and Disability Department at La Raza Central Legal in San Francisco. There, I assisted my clients with various legal issues, but I really enjoyed my estate planning and immigration cases the most. I'd get to meet with clients on multiple occasions, and I'd also get to meet their families. The relationships I built with them were extremely rewarding and reaffirmed my decision to become a lawyer. While working there, I saw that many of my clients already had worked with an attorney previously to create an estate plan. Many would come to my office and ask me to make changes to the document or to just review it. And a lot of times I was shocked by what I would see. For those who had living trust, almost none of them had actually had their assets transferred into the trust. These clients, many of whom didn't have much besides their homes, had paid thousands of dollars for what was essentially a useless stack of papers. They had these trusts created because they wanted to keep their loved ones out of court and out of conflict. But had they not come and seen me before they actually passed away, that's probably what would have followed: court and conflict. I thought to myself that these lawyers must have been committing malpractice, charging thousands of dollars to people and not even making sure that the assets were transferred into the trust. But I started to ask around to my friends, family, other lawyers about their experiences with estate planning. And I quickly learned that this wasn't malpractice. This was common practice. Sadly, many estate planning attorneys do little more than change their clients' names on some templates, have the clients sign documents, which they don't usually understand, and then give them the documents to take home in some fancy binder. People then stick the binder on a shelf, never complete the paperwork to transfer their assets into the trust, and check estate planning off their to-do list and never think about it again. This was upsetting to me, and I knew I wanted to do something about it, so I decided to start my own law firm. I wanted to educate my community about the importance of estate planning and how it shouldn't be looked at something you only do once. There are many free do-it-yourself options available on the internet and businesses that advertise they draft estate plans for a few $100s. And for some people, these are enough. But for most people, they aren't, especially if you have young children, own a home, or own a business. So at my law firm, we do more than just sell documents. We set ourselves apart from other estate planning firms because we focus on desired outcomes, not on the documents themselves. We establish ongoing relationships with our clients and grow with them and their families. We review our clients' plans every 3 years at no additional charge. Remember, laws are always changing, and so may your family dynamics. So it's incredibly important that you have your plan reviewed. What also distinguishes us from other firms is that we create an asset inventory for our clients so that when something happens to them, their loved ones can easily identify all of their assets and ensure they don't end up in California's Department of Unclaimed Property, which currently holds over $11 billion of property. We also charge flat fees, so you never have to worry about a surprise bill in the mail. You can call or email us at any time with questions and concerns at no additional cost. Lastly, at DeCosimo Law, we believe estate planning is not just about transferring your financial assets and personal belongings. It's also about capturing and transferring your valuable intangible gifts, who you are and what's important to you, your values, insights, stories, and experience. Because of this, we offer our clients what we call a family wealth legacy interview, where you can record a message to your loved ones to be shared with them when you are gone. We also offer 3 levels of planning to suit our clients' varying needs, from starter plans primarily for families with young children and little in the way of financial wealth, to more robust plans for well-established families concerned with matters of asset protection, preservation, and increased growth. So when we meet, I will review the 3 planning levels with you, and you will choose your own fee based on your budget and the planning options that are most important to you and your family. Remember, This planning isn't about you and isn't something you're doing for yourself. This planning is something you're doing for the people you love most. They're the ones who will benefit from this planning after you're gone. And I know that if it wasn't for them, you wouldn't have scheduled this meeting. I look forward to meeting with you. Take care.